Welcome to the series of Microsoft Access for historians. In this video, we do a second exercise where we make sure that you know how to do select queries. You can do it in two ways. Either you stop me now, try to do the queries that I've displayed here in this side of the screen, and then when you're done, you come back to the video and then see that you've done correctly. Or if you're not, you just do one by one and then you stop me and then see that you've done each of them correctly. The first thing that you need to do is just to use the Copenhagen Census 1880 that we imported in the earlier videos, and then create a query to be able to display these things. So you should be displaying sex, age, religion, origin, and civil status. Okay, so go now because I'm gonna start. So for creating, remember that this is how we do create design. We put the table that we want to, and then we only add the variables that we're interested. So we're just gonna put name because it's also fun. Sex, civil status, age, religion, and origin. So we don't do anything at all. We just display all our data. But the first thing that we had to do was just select women. So this is really simple. We just go to sex and then we say female. So this is what you should have. Only females. You have this number of records. Second thing, women over 30. So we just go. So we have women and then we go over 30. So we just say they have to be, age needs to be higher than 30. And then civil ages, we have, oh, it's taking a bit, so 63,000. Good. Next thing, women over 30 that are Lutherans. So we go here, we go to religion, and then we write Lutherans. And then Lutherans, 61,000. What else? Lutherans and natives. Okay, so we just go to the next one and we say native. And then review, and that's it. 22,000. What else? And now we start changing things over. So 30 Lutherans, natives, and unmarried. Oh, forgot that one. Married first. Just go here, and then we say gift. And this is 10,065. So for now it's just very easy, just adding criteria. Next thing is not married. Okay, so if we have here gift, so we have to say not gift. And then we just get every one of the women. 12,000. Next one. Okay, so this is not married, and now we change over to not Lutherans. So we do the same. So we go to Lutherans and we say not Lutherans. Now we display it, and then we have everyone else, and we have a very small number. Not Lutherans. And now we go and change something else. Women between 30 and 50. Not Lutherans and not married. So now from these women, we go from the have 30 and 50. So usually here, this is the one that I'm doing. No, first we had to do under 30. That's what I remember. So instead of being higher than 30, we go lower than 30. There's not going to be many of them. Yeah, some children, very small amounts. And now, right, now is those between 30 and 50, and not Lutherans and not married and everything. So again, we go to this, and between has to be higher than 30 and lower than 50. Was that it? 30 and 50. And between 30 and 50. By saying between 30 and 50, I think that should imply that it's higher than that. I mean, we're including 30 and 50. 226. And yeah, so that's a way of testing that you know how to talk about these things. Now, I think we're just going to move into the name. So we just have to delete all these different criteria. And then we have everyone, 265, and then we have women whose name starts with N. So first we have to keep on female, because we only have one to have women. Sure. I always check that the criteria is fulfilled. Okay. So, but now the question says whose name starts with N. So we go here to name and we say Anna, and then remember the star. So it has to be Anna something. And then we have all these Anna. This is one of the most popular names, so it's on Anna. Next thing we do is women whose name does not start with N. So if you remember, so we do not like N. And then you have something else. We have Annie, but not Anna. Women whose name does not start with Anna. Women whose name ends with Anna. So then we just change where. So change where the star is. So we put it before the name, and then we take it from there. So now we have all names of women that end with Anna. That could mean that Johanna, Anna, and then something else. And it seems that there's not that many. And then women whose name includes Anna. So we see that now that's the case for the two asterisks. We have one there and one there. So there's something, Anna, something. And then, it is either or. So it could be Anna something. Finally, women whose name includes the name Anna. And what do we mean with that? So far we're finding if something is Christiana or Johanna, we would get those. But what about if we want to know if there's some name, the name Anna, and then something else? That is an entirely different search. And then we have to think about it a little bit more clearly. And I think this could be, so we just put a space, and then we just put a space. Because now we're looking for something that is something, a space, Anna, a space, something. See what we find. And then see, this is the case. So we do find, so Anna is not a part of these names necessarily. It is a name in itself. And by putting the space, we are accounting for these things. And then this is what we're actually looking for. So that can be very convenient to look into for all sorts of things. And I think that now the exercise is complete. I hope that you know a little bit more now on how to use these things that you like and not like, and then the logical operators for the numbers.